This is a short video on how to publish using Matlab so that we can know our code works properly and we can see all our answers in a PDF format. Whenever we have to write a report or maybe submit an assignment, we need to submit using publishing feature so that the viewers for now, I may understand you have run your code properly, and then I can see the result and all the plots of your code. So let's see. Here on your editor, you run your code, right? And these are your results. This is just an example, and this is how this is what you got as your result. It prints the value of a from 10 to 19. So we are using some simple loop. So it gives the printed result from 10 to 19. So how we can publish it and then save as PDF or maybe other format. So, but for now we will be using PDF format. So I'm showing how we can publish using PDF. So here there is edit publishing option. Whenever you click that arrow, there is edit publishing option. And then there are different options on your output file format. Use different forms. For now, we are using PDF. So this is our output file format. And this is our output folder where this PDF will be located. And all of the things we don't need for now. So I think that's these two things are the common thing which we need. Other thing, if you want to change, you can try it. But for now, we only need to think about these two settings. And then I close it. And now I just have to hit publish one button, and then we can get a PDF, very good PDF. Yeah, you can see this PDF file, try.pdf. It is the name of the file would be same as your Matlab M file name. And this is our code, and you can see your result here. And there is one signature from Matlab. So these three things should be there on every PDF which will be generated by Matlab publish feature. Yeah, thank you very much.